Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a small haul for you guys and also a few of my favorites. And I just wanted to show you that. I know it's not the beginning of the month, but I just felt like I should show some of my March favorites. And these are some of my favorites that I will continue to use, of course. So I went to Ulta and I got a few things. And the first thing I got was this MAC Painterly paint pot. So I got a backup because I've already getting to the bottom of the other one. So this is what it's called. And this is the color. So this is for the eye to create a very nice even base and to pretty much create like a smooth, even toned canvas for the eyes prior to applying eyeshadow. So I like to apply this after I've applied a little bit of concealer. So yes, I always try to have Painterly in my stash for sure. I do have other colors, but this is one of the ones that I must have at all times. I also decided to try out some new eyeliners. So I got this from NYX. It's the Epic Ink Liner. And this is in the color brown. And so I got brown and green eyeliners because I always get black. So I decided to get this one because of the tip. Essentially, because the current one that I'm using, I'm used to this kind of tip. So it's just like little synthetic hairs and it's very thin at the top. And I just think that this color would be really, really pretty instead of just like wearing all black all the time. I also got a liner for my waterline from NYX as well. So I decided to just try out some NYX products because I just don't feel like spending $30 on a liner. So this is for the waterline. It's kind of like more intense than the NYX one for the lid, but yes, I mean, these colors seem really, really nice. And also a little detail about this. So I swatched, not with this exact one, but in the store, I swatched a little bit of that liner and then I just try to clean it. I went to the restroom and I tried to clean it with water and it just didn't want to come out. So I definitely bought that. And also I got this one from NYX. So this is called Emerald City. So this is a very nice kind of like intense green color. So I saw a ad from Charlotte Tilbury and I was like, okay, I need to get some green eyeliners. But instead of, you know, spending $40 on a liner, I'll just get some pharmacy ones and see if I like the look to begin with, because I've never really had green eyeliners before. So yeah, so pretty much this is another one that I got for my lid. So this is from L'Oreal. This one I had to get online because they were sold out. So I'm excited to try these. So there are all the swatches. Also, I got this mascara because it's really popular. And also very recently, I got a mascara from Anastasia. It works well, but it's just I feel like it doesn't do enough. I don't have very long lashes, so I expected it to just be kind of similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it's kind of not. It's called the Sculpt Lash, I think it is, from Anastasia, and it's good. It doesn't clump or anything like that, but I just feel like it could have been more. That's what I'm saying. So in terms of cost, I don't think that I will repurchase. I always go back to Better Than Sex mascara. I don't think there's any mascara better than that one. But anyway, since this one is so popular, and this is called the Lash Princess, so it gives like a false lash effect. So I just decided, hey, whatever. It's $5. I will give it a go. I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, I know this is very random, but I'm into little plates lately and into plating. I love buying plates. I have my own collection, but I wanted like some little sauce little plates. So I went to an Asian grocery store, and I've never been there before, but I've always had it like in the back of my mind, like, oh, I so want to go there. Anyway, so I finally decided to go, and I got these cute little plates, and this is just the cutest thing ever, right? And it has a cute little house mushroom. It says warm and happy on the inside. And I just thought that was just so cute. Plus they're wide and they have like this black rim here. And I just thought that was adorable. So I just got two. And also I got these as well because I mean, they had so many different plates, and I'm definitely going back because I loved the Asian supermarket, and they have even things like where I'm from. So I was able to find some things. So I did groceries as well, but I couldn't help the little plates. So these plates are just very, very cute. I think I would use these for like, I don't know, like soy sauce and maybe any other sauce that I decide to make. So I like making sauces. I feel like these are more dipping sauce, like seasoned sour cream, stuff like that. I almost forgot to mention that I also got this NYX Duck Plump, and I did try it on. I don't have it on right now, but this transferred to my teeth super quickly, and I did not like that. And also it says here extreme sensation. Now I was okay with it. It didn't really bother me in terms of the sensation to plump your lips, but it's just I felt like it didn't really plump my lips at all. The color is nice. It smells very weird. I don't like the smell. I mean, it's not that weird. It's just, it smells like more chemically instead of like having a different normal smell. Let me see. See, this one smells good. So tried it, and I'm not repurchasing. I don't like it. I just don't. Okay, so that's all for my haul today. Now I'm going to show you some of my favorites. So there's some items that I bought recently, but I haven't really done hauls for. But I just decided to try them, and I was like, okay, I love this. And so I was introduced to like facial mists. I went to TJ Maxx and I saw this one and I thought it was perfect. So this has rose, hyaluronic acid. It also has aloe. So this is for like a lot of hydration, and that's what I need because I've been, moisturizing a lot, and it's just not enough at this point. I need extra like actual hydration prior to moisturizing. So what I've been doing is after I wash my face, after I don't have any makeup on, but then I wash my face, I spray this on my face like 5 times. It really smells really good, actually. It smells really, really good. And, in terms of cost, if you go to TJ Maxx and get some of these things, not a lot. Well, this one, it was Marshall's, but kind of like the same. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, it's all the same. So I spray my face several times with this, like 5 times. And then I go in and apply my eye cream. And then I go in and put my vitamin C serum. And then I've been wearing this on top as well. So this is a favorite as well. This is from Origins, and this is called the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience, and this is a fortifying emulsion. So it's more of an emulsion, not a moisturizer and not a serum, kind of like in between. But if you know me, pretty sure you don't, but I love Origins skincare. I love, love, love Origins, and these products smell unbelievable to me, and I just love these products so much. Unbelievable. It's just amazing, okay? I mean, in terms of like result, my dryness just went away, right? Because I've been hydrating so much. To the point that at night, I really don't apply moisturizer on top at this 3rd step. But I feel like my skin feels like very bouncy, very hydrated. So that's what is important to me at this point, kind of like having that glass skin almost. So that was what I wanted to achieve, and I did with these products plus vitamin C serum. So I gained my goal. I did it. Next is this liquid blush. So I definitely have this right now on. So I'm wearing this. So this is from Rare Beauty and it's called Happy. So this is a liquid blush and it is good, but initially when you put it on, if you're not used to a product like this, you have to apply literally, just listen to me, literally the tiniest amount. All right, because it's just gonna spread out throughout and it's just a lot as it is with that tiny amount. And then I apply it with a synthetic brush and I apply it like that upward. So the thing is that this is so spready and it's just so pigmented, and a little tiny bit goes such a long way that I just use it when I want to look like I just catch a little bit of sun or a little bit of a tan. Yeah, so I don't wear this for work really. So it's just like dinners, weekends, you know, when it's sunny out. So it's really good. I highly recommend. It's gonna last you for a very long time. It's pigmented. It's gonna give you like that goddess kind of like sun-kissed look. And also what I do is apply just the tiniest bit here as well. That's a trick that I learned from one of the makeup artists from the Victoria's Secret models. So apart from applying this blush on my cheeks, I also apply it here a little bit, and that does the trick. Okay, next is this blush from Dior. I don't remember if I did a haul for this here on YouTube. Maybe I did it on my TikTok. I don't remember, but this is the pink color, the 001. I love Dior. Dior is one of my favorite brands ever, and it will always be. And I decided to get this very popular pink color #1. And I actually initially didn't want to purchase it because I was scared of the color. I didn't know it was going to look good on my skin tone, but I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna get it. And if I don't like it, I'll return it. So I think I bought it from Nordstrom. When I tried it for the first time, I really, really liked it. And I've been wearing it ever since. I definitely recommend it, even if you're a little bit tan. It's pigmented, but not like crazy pigmented like this, but you can build it up for sure. And I actually really appreciate that from this product, that it's not like super crazy. It lets you build it up, and I love it. And I have worn this for work too sometimes, but very, very slightly, not like super intense. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you are these cute puffs, powder puffs. So I bought this at TJ Maxx, and here's a sticker. I know that these are very popular right now, but when I saw the pink ones, of course I was gonna buy the pink ones and not the black ones. But isn't this cute? So what I do when I apply this, I just start cleaning the edges with this sponge. And I take a little bit of powder. This is the MAC Medium Plus. This is the MSF that I wear. So I take a little bit and then I just apply it like that. So I'm just seeing myself in the camera. I don't have a mirror, so just for reference. Another favorite is this lipstick from Dior. So I ordered this from Dior, but then I got this separately. So Nordstrom didn't have this, so I ended up ordering it from Dior directly, and that was like the best thing ever because then they sent some cute samples. So this is really, really cute. And I also like this color. It's like a very pretty pink color. It's really cute, really nice for like for day to day. And I've been wearing it a lot, actually. My other favorite is the Pillow Talk lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. So I've been ignoring this lip liner for the longest time because I've been wearing 2 other lip liners, but I recently went back to this one and I actually fell in love with it again, and I'm wearing it right now. So yes, Pillow Talk, it's kind of like that pink, kind of like neutral color. So initially when I bought it, I thought it looked a little bit brown on me and I didn't like it that much, but I really like it. now. Okay, my next favorite is this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So that's what I'm wearing right now. And first of all, these smell really good. It smells like candy. And the thing is that these glosses are so good. I feel like they're not, I don't know why they're not more popular, but I was impressed the first time that I bought them ever. So I've been wearing this lip gloss a lot, this particular color. So this color is in Pretty Please. My next favorite is my Lush bath bomb. So I mentioned this, I showed this in a haul, my last video, but my favorite bath bomb from Lush ever. Smells amazing, and it lasts a few times actually, because what I do is just I cut chunks of it or just take it apart with my hand. It is literally the most amazing smelling bath bomb ever, and every time I go to Lush, I try to smell other bath bombs to see if I like any other ones, but it's just I end up always getting the same one, honestly. Yeah. Well, those were all my favorites for today and my little haul. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.